to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a gingerbread mug cake. Let's get right to it. The ingredients you need for this gingerbread mug cake is 1/3 cup flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons ginger, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of canola oil. You'll also need a mug and a fork or different mixing utensil. Let's get started. The first step is to put all of your flour into your mug. Just like this. After you've added all of your flour into your mug, you can add in your baking powder. Next, I'm going to add in my sugar. You can now add in your ginger. You can now add your cinnamon. Next, I'm going to add in my nutmeg. Now you can mix all the ingredients together in your mug, just like this. Now you can add in your milk. And mix it together. And it might look a little bubbly, but that's just because of the baking powder that you've added in. So you can just continue mixing until all of those bubbles have disappeared and it's less chunky. Now you can add in your canola oil. Just like this, and mix that together as well. And the more you mix it, it'll turn into like a cake batter almost, the more you mix it. So you can just continue mixing it, just like this, until you have this cake batter type of condition. After you're done mixing in all the ingredients together and it seems like a cake batter, it should look something similar to this. And now you can put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And this is totally optional, but you can add whipped cream and sprinkles to yours if you like. Now I'm going to add some green sprinkles, and on top of that, some red sprinkles. Now you can eat it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye! Bye!